What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the filter for your Dyson V15 Detect vacuum. Let's get started. So let's get into the video and let me begin showing you how to replace the filter. Now, simply take this top piece and turn it to the left until it begins to pop out slowly, and then you can pull it out. Once you do, now I've been looking at some forums online, looking at and reading what people have been saying about these filters, and some people have been saying that you can just clean off the dust, and that piece right here that you're seeing, you can just clean off the dust and you'll be fine. The one issue I have with this recommendation is that you still have to worry about the filter on the inside of the actual piece of plastic. And that one, it's kind of difficult to fully brush and clean with water or any type of brush. So in my recommendation, I would say just better off be safe than sorry. They're selling these for literally, there's a 2-pack for about $14, $15 on Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description below. But that's my recommendation to all of you. In my opinion, it's not worth taking this out, washing it with water and thinking it might be dry, and then you're putting a potentially wet filter inside your vacuum. Next thing you know, because you're trying to save $10, $15, you ruined a $700 vacuum. Now, once you removed it and you have your other filter, just simply push it right in here. And then you're gonna twist to the right now until, as you can see, it locks in. Once it locks in, you don't have to reset anything on the machine. It's gonna begin working right away, as you can see. So you don't have to worry about any of that, resetting or making sure that the filter is working again. It's gonna automatically work as soon as you put it in, and you make sure you turn it to the right until it's just completely sealed. It's gonna work perfectly fine. So this was my video on how to replace the filter for your Dyson V15 Detect vacuum. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day. Take care.